we want to give our athletes resources and the connectivity for them to reach their full potential. So imagine a future where athletes will focus on their growth, knowing the sports plus actually more than a partner, we want to be a strong supporter of Philippine sports by giving them the backing that they need in training and competition. So ultimately, we want to be recognized as a brand that really truly believe in the Filipino athletes.
Thank you so much, Sir James. Now let's head on over to Honorable Bambol Tolentino of the POC. As POC President, sir, you've always emphasized supporting athletes not just during competitions, but also in preparation. How will this collaboration with Sports Plus directly strengthen athlete development programs?
As I said a while ago, this will be a very great health boost in all of our preparations in the coming tournaments. Not only LA Olympics, but before that one. SEA Games, Asian Games, Winter Olympics, Youth Olympics, and of course Olympics. Malaking tulong to. But in addition to that, i-segue ko ng konti. I'm inviting Sports Plus and Smart. We will be having the first, after 20 years, 25 years, Asian Track and Paracycling Championship in Tagaytay. That will be in March. Sa only velodrome in the Philippines na world class. Yung kung naunahan pa natin ang Thailand. Thailand pala, wala. Pero meron sila tatlong outdoor. Dati, number 1 tayo dyan, 20 years ago. We're missing 12 to 13 medals always. Dahil wala tayong velodrome. So, ngayon, meron na. Then, yung gitna. Kaya ito, ulat ako yun sa facility ko. Meron 2 basketball courts. So, yung middle portion naman ng velodrome, kagagamit lang ng karate ng division. Invitational, international. Diba? 6 na mats, kasi sa gitna. Ngayon, ginagamit ng basketball, 2 court 10. Ginamit last weekend ng push bike ng mga bata. 2 days. Nakalinya na rin ng division. Sa multi-sports venue, aside from the Asian Cup. So again, I'm inviting Sports Plus and Smart on that very first historical hosting of Asian Cup.
Thank you very much, Honorable Bambol Tolentino. Now let's head on over to Mr. Jude Torquato of SMART. Now, Sir Jude, as the connectivity partner supporting this initiative, how will SMART ensure athletes stay connected as Sports Plus drives programs for Philippine sports?
Well, kaya sabi nga ni President Bambol, SMART has been a long-time partner of the POC, even from last year's Olympics. And ang na-notice natin is connectivity is very important in the preparations, especially kung nasa ibang bansa ka. Right? So, whenever they go abroad, we will be there to ensure that they are connected to each other, they are connected to their families, they're connected to their coaches. Lahat yan nakakatulong sa kumpiyansa, sa training, everything. No? And of course, even when they're here, we will also help to ensure na hindi na nila pupormahin yung mga load, yung mga sa mga cellphone nila, para lang yung focus nila yung talaga sa training.
Thank you so much. Let's give a big round of applause to our distinguished guests. All right, now thank you very much again for sharing with us your enlightening thoughts. We are now opening the floor to our media friends for their questions. Starting things off with Antonio Inigo Santos of Rappler.
Hello, I'm Manny Santos from Rappler, and this question is for Honorary Bambol Tolentino from POC. So for our athletes who are set to compete in bigger arenas with stronger backing, what message do you think it sends the Filipino people about the future of Philippine sports?
Well, focus lang sa mga atleta natin. Saka, we have to decide. Kanina umaga galing kami sa MOA ng Philippine Coast Guard. Baka hindi alam ng iba. 18 national athletes natin under Philippine Coast Guard. Yung iba, yung branches, Army, Navy, Air Force. So meron tayong 18 sa Philippine Coast Guard. Ang dalawa doon, medalist, Olympian medalist, si Nestle at si Ando. So, anong pinapoint ko yung related sa tanong? In the future, after sports, ano ba nangyari sa kanila? So, iba na yung member ka ng AFP service. Pupunta ka pa. Pag nagka-medal ka, inspire ka, nagka-medal ka, promoted natin kung sergeant ka ng major ka. Diba? Pag nag-retire ka sa sports, meron ka lang papuntang service. Kung retire ka sa age mo, pension ka. So, yun yung dagdag-add-on ko na message ko sa mga atleta. You have to decide.
Thank you very much for that question in this honorable Babo Filipino. Now let's head on over to Mark Patriarca of PEB4.
This question is for Jude. This partnership highlights Sports Plus as the lead supporter. How does Smart see its role in complementing Sports Plus investment and ensuring the success of this joint initiative?
Thank you for the question. For Sports Plus, certainly for this partnership is the lead partner. Kami naman, we also have a separate partnership also with POC. But in general, we have the infrastructure kasi to be able to provide meaningful connections for our athletes. And Sports Plus will give us the resources to be able to do that even better, right? So, yun yung role namin is really to be the vehicle sa amin dadaan yung connectivity. Kami yung mag-provide. Kailangan lang namin siguraduhin na lahat ng national athletes meron. Na hindi na nila problemahin yun as part of their lifestyle and their training. So hopefully, makatulong to psychologically and physically in preparation for all of the tournaments that they will compete in.
Thank you, Sir Jude, and thank you for that question, PEB4. Now let's head on over to J.F. Bueno of Kumagao for the next question.
Hello, good afternoon, and John Brenner from Kumagao.com. I'd like to ask a question for Mr. Dermosa. Since Sports Plus is very involved in this particular venture, can you tell us what are your thoughts about people who are still against against online gaming or whatever curve they want to use? What are your thoughts on it, sir?
We respect concerns about online gambling. So, which is why Sports Plus responsibility is our priority. For us, gaming is entertainment, just like sports. So, it should always be enjoyed safely. We are backdoor licensed and fully regulated platform. We have strict age verification and player protection rules. So our partnership with the POC shows that responsible operators can make a positive impact.
I'd like to ask another question, sir. What does this partnership entail, and how long is this? Is this going to be like every year you're going to renew this agreement, or is this as long as you're existing, there's that partnership?
Okay, so it's a multi-year partnership with the POC, of course, with Smart. as the community partner. We'll be present in the Southeast Asian Games, Asian Games, leading up to the Olympics, so until 2030.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you for that question, and thank you also, Sir James. Now, this concludes our Q&A session for today. We extend our sincere thanks to our speakers.